Welcome to my little country kitchen. We are making a lip balm recipe from Little Hill Homestead. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, I already melted that. Now we need 2 tablespoons of beeswax and shea butter. This is the melted beeswax and shea butter. This is the melted beeswax and shea butter. Just waiting this to cool down so we can add whatever essential oils that we want right now, which is optional, or you could have infused one of the oils with any herb, like I'm gonna do next time with calendula. Let's do $12 drops of peppermint, maybe 5 drops. Oh, I am making a mess. Okay, let me clean off all the containers and put the lids on. Okay, cleaned them all off with Q-tip. This is what the leftover was. Now that can be my sample case at the farmer's market. I need to clean out my little container. And we are done. That's some beautiful peppermint orange chapstick, and already put it on because it was all over my hands. Let's see, let's get some more. Oh, it's really soft. I can tell it's very moisturizing. Smells like orange and peppermint. It's awesome. This one's a win. Keeper. Can't wait to see how it does at the farmer's market. Bye. I ended up making 6 different flavors. Frankie Blue, ZestaMint, just extra virgin olive oil, butterfly, cranberry, and mango. Would you buy these for $4 each? Let me know. Write in the comments below what you think your favorite flavor would be.
In her small domain, she finds joy every day.